What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So before I start this video, it's kind of just everywhere, so and just to let you guys know. So yeah, so enjoy the video. All right. Yeah, I've been working on the car, so pretty much taking out the front seats, the harness, and putting in the stock seatbelts and stock, I think those are LS seats. So I'm just working on the JDM back seats. This part broke off the tab, so I'm going to take that and just 3M it again and put it back on. So it sits like that, which is the JDM console in the middle for the back seat. All right, so I'm in the house, going to take a break and just clean the JDM center console. I'm just going to use the detailer wipes, wipe it all down, clean the cup holders as well. It's very dirty inside there, so clean all that out and it should look way much better. So happy there's no cracks on here. And I got the 3M or double side tape. So this is the heavy duty for outdoor. So I'll place that on here. So after I screw it back to the back seat, then I'll put the 3M or double side tape on the 3 points. And you see where I had it before. And I'll just pop that back on and it'll stay again. So that'll be my little break. And also I got some goodies for the Type R. All right, break over. Finally gonna take out stock seats from here and seatbelt and put that in the daily. So yeah, no batteries, so I don't have a dome light, so, but got my flashlight. I'm just gonna take these bolts out, pull the seat, take out the seat belts, of course, and should be good to go. Alright, so it's the next day. I got the seat in. Man, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it is, I'm unhappy with it. I sit way too high. So when I'm driving, this is my view. This is where my eyes are. So when I'm driving, I have to look down like this. When I look at the steering wheel, when I'm driving, I don't even see the mileage. When I'm gonna have to go fast, I have to look down like that. So I'm too tall for this seat, and the seat sits up too high and way closer to the steering wheel. So I like the closeness, but I just don't like how I sit so high, because then I gotta remove this and put the stock rearview mirror back up in there. And that's something that, you know, I'll have to do, but whatever. So the back seats are still taken apart. I'm cleaning those. I didn't do the passenger seat, so I'm gonna basically just put the stock seat belts back in and most likely go to the junkyard tomorrow, get stock seat belts and put the other seats back in here so I can have those so I can sit a little lower and be comfortable. Because I mean, the seats are comfortable, these seats are comfortable, I just don't like how I sit so high. If I can sit lower, that'd be great, but other than that, that's what it is. And these bolts are, I need to rethread them. So this one and the other one back here, so because I can't get all 4 bolts in, but carpet is so damn dirty, I need to replace it because it's tore up. Like this one is all ripped on this side, but floor mats did a pretty good job of hiding everything because it's super dirty in here. But yeah, so most likely pick and pull tomorrow, get some seatbelts. Heading to my dad's, he's getting out of the hospital, so so I'll see you guys tomorrow at the junkyard. I got female seatbelt locks for driver's side. I guess I am going to be using this seat again. So taking off the harness, switching this lock. I got the passenger as well. I cleaned them up. I just got the trim. New driver's side trim. I don't know how to install it because when I got it from the yard, I literally broke the tabs getting them off. So I know these slide to come on and off, but I might go somewhere and have them professionally put it on because I'm too scared to mess that up. Because I'll post a picture, you can see where somebody tried to steal my car and they rammed the screwdriver in there, bending it, and just messed it up, even the rubber seal. So I have the seal in the garage, I just gotta replace it. Okay, and now for the Civic Type R, I got the right cover for this. So if we can focus, so this is the correct antenna cover. The antenna in here is probably not the same, but it bolted up, so it works. And then the broken cover that was here, I found one at the yard and replaced that as well. So, and this one's kind of loose, so I'm wondering if the tabs messed up. I'll take a look, but I'll clean this up and throw the visors on this car. Little by little, still gotta take off those side mirrors and put the spoon sport ones in. But yeah, the car has been sitting so long, its rear tires are flat. But not worry about it. I'm gonna probably throw on get some wheels for this. And yeah, the motor's still good. I gotta do oil change. Most likely I'll probably buy slipstreams, throw those on here. And I am selling this car, so once it's done, registered, I'm gonna go get it smogged. Hot smog. And it'll be good to go if somebody wants to buy it. So Civic Type R, complete swap, tranny, and everything else. So it's a complete Civic Type R. So once I get this all cleaned up, looking good. I've been looking for this, both sides. I can find them in the automatic, but this is roll-up windows, so I can't find a good driver's side, and when I do, it's all no good. So, like I said, if I sell a car, it got to look clean. So I might even just take this to Mako and have them get a whole new fresh paint. I am putting the carbon fiber hood on this car and redoing the carbon fiber hood, putting this hood on my car, my daily. So I'll probably just sand this down and use that until I do something else new. But yes, and I did forget this damn prop for the hood prop, so the connection. So I gotta head to the junkyard and get that little clip. But yeah, so let me get back on the Civic outside for my daily and get these seatbelts in because I got stuff to do. So, oh yeah, and I left my mats here on the floor so I can get everything going in the car, and my dog pissed all over my mats. So I got to use the rug doctor to clean up the floor mats, and I'm going to clean up the carpet in the car as well. So for now, I'm just going to put one seat in, clean up the passenger side because that's the one that's really dirty. Then put the seatbelt on this one, take off the harness, and put the harness and the bar will go all into the Type R. So yeah, so easy stuff, just bolt on, bolt off. I'm not doing nothing hard. Really don't need to show you guys how to take 4 bolts off to remove a seat, and these seats are light as hell, so easy to do. I mean, if they're heavy, of course I'm gonna have to call for help, but like I said, I'm a big guy and I got light seats, so I'm gonna swap these back in and just have regular seat belts. So let me get started. It's on, bolted, ran the seatbelt connection to indicate that if you got your seatbelt on, I guess. I purposely found black ones off a hatchback, EG hatchback SI, so match the seat, even though the working still on the interior. But so bolt on, driver's side, throwing this in now, and I'll have a seat where I can sit low enough. All right, so it's like 2 days later, just waking up. Hair's a mess. I'm just gonna throw on my Wu-Tang beanie. I got the seat in the car, so I sit lower. Now I got the original seatbelt, OEM seatbelt I have. I let the seat out. I'm not gonna use it. Going to clean these carpets because the dog pissed on it. Gonna throw this seat back in for the passenger, or maybe I'll throw the LS seat instead and keep this one in the other Civic. I'm not sure yet, but I will be ordering some new seats because I want to put these ones actually in the Civic in the garage, this Type R, and put new seats in that car because that is my daily driving car. So I want to make this one comfortable, reliable, until things get better, then case swap. So let me get something out of here that I may have left. I did. So this is what I'll be cleaning today as well. So getting all this out. This is actually my mess from 10 years ago when I was first dealing this car all the way to the bay for work. So yeah. Alright, so yesterday I stopped by Vinny's house, met up with Brandy, kicked with them. Vinny gave me a battery tie down. So I'll be painting this gold and I'm going to put this in the daily Civic. So shout out to you, Vinny. Thank you very much, brother. And also, Vinny's been actually helping me with this build. He gave me, if you guys go back on a couple back on videos, he gave me an aftermarket radiator cap that shows the temperature. I already had that put on the Civic. Thank you. And I love Hot Wheels. I love cars and pretty much everything. And he gave me this, which I think is freaking awesome. Now I love this, and the way the roll cage is, it gives me the style that I'll probably be looking for in the future one day. So this is amazing. So thank you so much, Vinny. So you are the man. Thank you very much, brother. And let's get this carpet cleaning going. So let's go. Alright, so I did my best to get as much as I can, and that's the carpet all tore up and everything from the feet. So I'm not going to be able to get that out. That's not going to get out, so most likely I'm going to have to, well, my first was to get black carpet, so I guess that's going to be something that's still going to happen because that's just dirty, but floor mats will cover it for now, but at least I got as much dirt as I can. And as you can see, it's pretty gross. Alright, so that wall area came out good, so at least that worked. That still looks like crap, but floor mat will cover that, and until I order a new black carpet. Alright, before I start, I put the JDM center console back in. Double-sided the top piece that keeps sliding off, so that's good to go. I'm gonna actually do this bar that goes across first and put some new padding and bolt it on before I start on the seatbelt, because that's gonna be a pain in the butt. Alright, so I guess the center bar that I bought was that Megan Racing brand. Like I said, it's always been covered with padding. I know back 10 years ago, everybody would always just rock the metal. It always got hot, and especially with passengers. So I always thought, oh, I'll just throw one of these paddings on, and that will hold, protect the people from burning their head if they ever bump their head on this. And then eventually it caught on, and everyone started doing it in my town. So nice to start something. But yep, gonna measure this, put it on, bolt it on. Simple. Really don't need to show you guys that. And there we go. Popped off the cover. Going to place the stock seatbelt on. It's going to be 4 bolts. 1, 2, or yeah, wait, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me bolt those on. All right, got all 4 in. Just gonna pop this clip back on. And there we go. Got that on. Pop the other cover and get the other seat back in. So I stopped by Lowe's, got some bolts and some washers so I can freaking get that passenger seat on correct. So I'm gonna see how that works. Hopefully it threads in. That supposedly was the right size when I checked it. So let me get that screwdriver and put it in. So it looks like it's not even that size. I mean, it's getting stuck. It won't go any further. It stays right here. So gonna be a different thread. So I'm gonna have to change that up. Gonna take the car for a drive. Just gonna go probably take back these bolts and get my $5 back. I want to put the stock rearview mirror on. I'm not sure how to do it because it literally just popped off from the glass. So maybe 3M. If not, I'm going to just go to a windshield place and see how they do it and have it put back on, because I kind of want to have my visors and stock mirror back, and I'll put the wink one into the Type R. So yeah, let me just go ahead and run these errands, go for a drive. Maybe I'll take this guy with me. And then, yeah, so let's go for a drive. All right, if you made it this far, a long video, just like to say thank you. I did want to break the video off into, just want to just make one complete video, and it turned out to be pretty long, so sorry if, for that. But if you guys watched it this long, I want to say thank you for sticking from beginning to the end. So you guys are the number ones, and like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night. Thank you.